Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude Code presented by your mentor Vivek. You build the feature, tests pass. Now comes the part every developer quietly dreads. Review, commit, push, PR, tell the team. The last mile. Today Claude Code runs that whole mile for you. A reviewer with fresh eyes and one command that ships. Let's finish the Workshop Hub badge feature properly. Before anything ships, it gets reviewed by a sub-agent. Why not just ask the same session that wrote the code? 3 reasons. 1. Fresh eyes. The reviewer sub-agent runs in its own context window. It never watched you build the badge feature, so it carries zero session bias. It judges the diff code like a colleague opening your PR for the very first time. 2. Restricted to read-only tools. A reviewer that can edit will quietly fix things mid-review. You want it to flag problems, not touch code. Reviewing is its job, fixing stays yours. 3. Check the reviewer's config into the repo. Now every Workshop Hub teammate runs the exact same reviewer, same standards, every single PR. Quality stops depending on who reviewed. Review clean, then watch the entire last mile collapse into one command. The commit push par skill. One step, it commits your changes, pushes the branch, and opens the pull request. No 5-command ritual. The badge feature lands on GitHub before your coffee cools. Connect the Slack MCP server and list your team channels in CLAUDE.md, and it goes one better. The PR link gets posted to the team channel automatically. Your teammates know before you've even switched tabs. And when review comments or a failing build come back, Claude from PR and the PR number. Because the PR went out through GHPR create, the session stays linked. You resume exactly where you left off, full history intact. So the Workshop Hub badge feature, the one we planned back in Unit 4, just shipped. Sub-agent review with fresh eyes. One command to commit, push, and PR. Slack pinged. And from PR on standby if anything bounces back. The last mile, minus the friction. You now drive Claude Code end-to-end, prompt to PR. Next comes Section 4, making Claude Code truly yours. And it starts with one file that onboards Claude to your repo every session, CLAUDE.md. See you there. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.